Hey everyone, welcome to Noor Telecom. Today we have an iPhone 13 Pro Max with a problem. Apple Pay is not working. When we try to tap a Visa contactless card on the back of the phone, there is no response. So, let's check and fix the issue. First, we remove the two pentalobe screws from the bottom of the phone and carefully lift the display using a suction cup and a plastic pry tool. After opening the display, we unscrew all the shield plates and disconnect every connector one by one. Then we take out the logic board from the housing and remove all the protective stickers from it. Next, to separate the board layers, we place the logic board on a preheating rework station, also known as a chimney heating platform. After heating for a few minutes, the upper and lower layers of the logic board separate smoothly. Once separated, we clean all the black underfill or protective foam using a thin blade very carefully. Now the board is placed under the microscope to check which solder balls on the NFC or baseband area are damaged. We can clearly see a few joints that are broken. So, we apply flux and use a copper wick along with a soldering iron to clean the damaged solder. Then we do the reballing process to restore proper connection. After cleaning and checking everything, both layers of the logic board are placed back on the heating platform to rejoin. When the board cools down, we reapply all the protective stickers. Then we place the logic board back into the phone. Reconnect all the connectors, tighten all the screws, and close the display. Finally, we power on the phone and test again by tapping the Visa contactless card on the back. This time, Apple Pay is working perfectly. So that's how we fixed the Apple Pay not working issue on iPhone 13 Pro Max. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.